It's late at night and you're scrolling through your phone, trying to figure out how to manage your expenses. Books, food, maybe a little fun, but the bank account says otherwise. You think, there must be a way to make some money without having to invest anything up front. That's when it hits you. The digital world is vast, and surely there are opportunities out there. This is the moment you decide to dive into the ocean of online earning, seeking treasures hidden within the waves of the internet. Whether you're strapped for cash, saving up for something big, or just want to utilize your skills profitably, you're on the right path. Let's explore together the top ways to earn money online, tailored just for students like you, eager to make a mark without the need for an initial investment. First up, freelance writing. It's not just about having a way with words, it's about connecting with audiences across the globe. Picture yourself crafting blog posts, articles, or even social media content on topics you're passionate about. Platforms like Upwork and Fiverr are your gateways to finding clients who need your writing prowess. The key? Understanding your niche and marketing yourself as the go-to expert. Next, let's talk about online tutoring. The digital world has opened up endless possibilities for teaching. From math and science to languages and music, students worldwide are seeking knowledge, and you, with your expertise, can fill that gap. Websites like Tutor.com and VIPKid are excellent places to start. Remember, it's not just about what you know, it's about how you can help others understand and grow. Then, there's virtual assistants. In an increasingly online world, business owners are looking for organized individuals to help manage their day-to-day tasks. From email management to scheduling and social media, virtual assistants keep the digital world spinning. It's a role that demands reliability and multitasking, but offers flexibility and exposure to various industries. For the creatively inclined, graphic design offers a canvas without limits. Small businesses, bloggers, and even large corporations need eye-catching graphics. With tools like Adobe Creative Suite and Canva, you can bring ideas to life, from logos to website layouts. Your portfolio is your ticket to success, showcasing your style and versatility to potential clients. With a new app popping up every second, developers need real people to test functionality, user experience, and bugs. Platforms like TestBirds and User Testing pay you to use these apps, providing valuable feedback to improve them. It's a unique way to earn by simply interacting with software. Tech-savvy individuals can offer remote tech support. With technology at the heart of everything we do, there's a constant need for IT support. From troubleshooting software issues to helping set up networks, your expertise can save the day for individuals and businesses alike. Social media isn't just for scrolling, it's a powerful marketing tool. Companies are on the lookout for talented individuals to manage their online presence. If you've got a knack for engaging content and growing followers, this could be your digital playground. It's all about strategy, creativity, and a bit of analytics. Influencing is about building a community around your passions, whether it's fashion, travel, tech, or anything in between. It starts with content that resonates, grows with engagement, and eventually opens doors to partnerships with brands. Your voice can become your brand, leading to opportunities well beyond sponsored posts. Lastly, affiliate marketing. It's where you promote products through your social media or blog and earn a commission on any sales through your links. It's about authenticity and finding products that align with your values and those of your audience. It requires patience and strategy, but can be incredibly rewarding. And there you have it, 9 ways to earn money online without investment. Each of these paths offers a unique journey into the digital world, where your skills and passions can not only build a career, but also pave the way for financial independence. So, what are you waiting for? Dive in, explore, and start building your online empire today. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more content on making money online. Got any questions or want to share your success stories? Drop a comment below. Until next time, keep hustling and see you in the digital sphere.